Now the next is next is inverse of matrix. Now how to calculate inverse of matrix? Inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. To calculate inverse, we have to first calculate an determinant of that matrix. Now example I have taken, suppose here is A matrix 1 0 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 3 2, and I have to find the A inverse. Now first I have to calculate determinant of this. So how to calculate determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix? This is 1 into 2 plus 3, 0 minus 0 into 4 plus 2 minus 1 into 6 minus 2. So add this determinant is equal to 1. Now to calculate adjoint, I'm going to solve this adjoint by using two different methods. So for first method, I will calculate the cofactor, and the adjoint is equal to transpose of that cofactor. Now how to calculate cofactor? Suppose this is your original matrix 1 0 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 3 minus 2. Now I have to calculate the cofactor of that particular matrix. So for this case I have to calculate 1 1, cofactor of 1 1. So I am eliminating 1 means first row and 1 means first column. So I got these remaining things 1 minus 1 3 2. So cofactor of this is 5. Similar way I have to calculate cofactor of 2 1. So first value is row, second value is column. So minus of this 0 minus 1 3 minus 2. So this is minus 3. So similar way I am eliminating here second row, first column. Now for the cofactor of 3 1, I will eliminate third row and first column. So I will get 0 minus 1 1 minus 1, which is equal to plus 1. Now similar way I will calculate 1 2 2 2 3 2, cofactor of 1 3 2 3 and 3 3. Now to calculate cofactor for 1 2, 1 means row, 2 means column. So I will eliminate first row, second column, I will get some cofactor value 6. Then cofactor 2 2 means I will eliminate second row, second column, I will get cofactor value 3 2 means I will eliminate third row, second column. So remaining value is 1 minus 1 2 minus 1, and the output is 1. Then cofactor for 1 3 means first row, third column. So the value for cofactor is 2 1 2 3, and the output is 4. Similar way I will calculate the cofactor for 2 3. So 2 means row and third is column, so output is 3. So cofactor for 3 3 is similar way 3 third row and third column, which is equal to 1. Then cofactor matrix 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3. So whatever the cofactor value I have calculated 1 1 5 6 4 minus 3 4 3 1 minus 1 1. So all these value I will write here, but our adjoint is equal to transpose of that cofactor. So how to write transpose? This 1 1 2 2 3 3 will be same, and this rows will change to column and column will change to rows. So previously you can see here 1 1 1 2 1 3. Now this will be 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3, and the adjoint value is 5 minus 3 1 6 4 minus 1 4 3 1. So this way I will get the final adjoint of A is equal to 5 minus 3 1 6 4 minus 1 4 3 1 upon determinant, which is equal to 1. So this is the first method. The second method we will see A, the same matrix I have taken 1 0 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 3 2, and the determinant already we have calculated, that is 1. Now just we will find the adjoint of A with the help of second method. Now how to find adjoint? First I will write down the same matrix 1 0 minus 1 2 1 minus 1, then 2 3 and 2. I will write here R1 R2 and R3, and here column 1 column 2 and column 3. Now what you have to do for this second method? just take this column 1 and column 2 and write down after this column 3. Means here I will again write C1 and C2. The same value I will write here 1, 2, 2 and 0, 1, 3. Similar way I will write this R1 and R2 after R3. So again I will write R1 and R2. What is R1? 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 0 and 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1. Okay. Now after this I have to eliminate first row and first column. Okay, so I will eliminate first row and first column. So whatever the thing is left, that thing I have to write as adjoint of A. Now how to find adjoint? First cofactor of these two. So what is the cofactor? 2 minus of minus 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then the next column, I will take this column wise 3 minus 1, 3, 2, 0 and minus 1. So this is 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 2 into 0, 0. But we have to calculate column wise and we have to write this row wise. So this is first value. Second value is 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 0. So this is minus 3. Again 0 minus 1 0 and this is 1 minus 1 plus 1. So this is your first row of the adjoint. Now for the second row I will take this one 1 2 2 2. So cofactor of this will be 2 minus of minus 4 which is equal to minus. Similar way I will calculate here 1 2 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. This value I will write here and I will calculate for 2 1 minus 2 minus 1. So this column wise I will calculate and I will write it row wise. Similarly for this third column 2 3 2 1 2 0 0 1 minus 3 1 1 2 into 0. So whatever the value I will get I will write row wise. So what this is my adjoint of A and the inverse will be adjoint of A divided by determinant and the determinant value is 1. That's why this is equal to inverse of A. If there is another case, if I have 2 by 2 matrix like A small a B C D, then inverse will be equal to 1 upon AD minus BC. And what you have to do, you have to just interchange these two values. Means A have to replaced by D and D have to replaced by A, and the remaining values other than that there you have to change the sign of that values. And means if there is positive B, you have to replace with minus B, positive C minus C. Example I have taken here. So for this case A is 1 2 3 4 and the A inverse will be 1 upon 4 minus 3 into 2 6, and here this first value will be shifted A by D, means 1 by 4 and 4 here and 1 here, and minus 2 minus 3. So this is my inverse 4 minus 2 minus 3 1 upon minus 2. So this way you can calculate inverse of 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स. सो किसी ने वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हुआ है तो आप यहाँ पे इस मेरे यूट्यूब पेज पे जाके यहाँ पे क्लिक करके सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो. ये चैनल आपको जॉब बिजनेस करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी करंट अफेयर्स इस तरह सारी जानकारी मिलेगी. इसके अलावा अगर आपको वीडियो के थ्रू सब्सक्राइब करना है तो यहाँ पे वीडियो पे क्लिक करने के बाद नीचे एक सब्सक्राइब ऑप्शन आएगा, वहाँ पे क्लिक करके भी आप जीमेल के थ्रू सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो और यहाँ पे भी आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो. मेरे वीडियो को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको करियर की एजुकेशन की सारी जानकारी आप तक मिल सकती है.